automotive industry is Raptor versus TRX. We've got two Raptors here, one being mine, one being our videographers. And we've got a TRX that we're doing for a client today with graphene. So it's really cool to kind of get them next to each other so we can compare. You know, us being car guys, it's not always about the job. It's about seeing the car, experiencing it, and you know, seeing what our thoughts are. And yeah, we're gonna get this TRX done. And the guys are working on a Tucson over there. We've got a 2021 Bentley that we're working on. All getting the sauce today. So stay tuned. We're going to take you through these projects, and I hope you enjoy this video.
What's going on? My name's Shane DeWitt. This is my wife Susie.
Hi.
This is our brand new 21 Ram TRX, which I'm excited to have here with Brandon to upscale detailing. Actually, I heard about Brandon through a good friend of ours, Mike Legg, who owns 6th Avenue Jewelers here in Vero Beach, and he had his truck done here, and it was absolutely amazing. He said, you know, you got to go see Brandon, you got to go see the guys over at Upscale Detailing. They're going to do a fantastic job. So I'm looking forward to it because I love this truck. It's a beast, and I can't wait to get the graphene coating on it and get it detailed, and looking forward to it.
Change the future of us. The waves, they break, but we got enough. The only direction that I'll ever need is a deeper connection that's leading me. And I'm lost in your love when you hold me.
So one cool thing that these TRXs have, and I'm not sure how I feel about it being a Raptor owner, is there's lots of little Easter eggs that kind of make fun of or just poke at the fact that, you know, it's got a little bit more power than the Raptor. This here being one of them in the center console. Once you kind of get through everything, we took some things out of there, and you can see the truck and a Raptor.
Want to see the coolest Easter egg of all on this TRX?
I'm ready.
Pull this off.
Oh, it comes off? There you go.
Bam! Right there.
No way.
Raptor eater.
That's dope.
So what we have here on this Tucson is some hard water staining from sprinkler system. So when your sprinkler system turns on, you know, it could be at your home, or you could be going to Home Depot or somewhere where the sprinkler systems pop up, and what that water does is lay mineral deposits all over your paint. And if those things accumulate, it becomes its own coating, and that coating is not graphene, and it is not pleasant to look at, and it becomes very difficult to remove. So this car is going to require a lot of mechanical effort through buffing, polishing, and potentially even wet sanding to get that sheen off the car and get the paint looking the way it's supposed to. So I'd say every day I get a message or a phone call from a client that says, hey, my car's brand new, it needs nothing, you know, how much? And they're basically setting themselves up for what they think will be a cheaper job because they have a new vehicle. And I still have them bring it to the shop for a quote because, as you can see here, you know, this TRX needs a paint correction, and it's swirled up. It's a high-end vehicle, so you'd expect it to be, you know, finished to a high degree. But, you know, the dealership doesn't hire high-end car washers just because they're selling high-end vehicles, and, you know, improper washing and, you know, methods used at different places don't always line up with the quality of vehicles sold. So we really approach every vehicle, whether it's a 2021 or a 2001, exactly the same way from the sales perspective and the selling process to ensure the client gets the best finish possible.
I thought I had
All right, am I live? So I noticed a couple of the guys getting a little thin inside, so we've got some weightlifting equipment coming here thanks to Rogue Fitness. They're top of the line, you know, equipment manufacturing company, and we're gonna really set this place up for the guys. Pump some iron on our lunch breaks. All right, so we're doing something a little bit different this morning. It's something I've kept off of social media. Is about 2 weeks ago, Amber and I lost our pup, Bella. She was a Frenchie, due to some unforeseen things in her medical situation, and you know, we weren't planning on getting another dog anytime soon. We wanted to take some time, and you know, we were watching the news one night, and we see that some guy left 26 dogs in a crate on the side of the road, and they would soon be up for adoption. And it just seemed like a fate-driven thing that, you know, all this stuff's kind of happening to us, and you know, things happening to these dogs, and you know, as dog people, over being people most of the time, you know, we prefer animals, to be quite honest. You know, I kind of felt a duty to do something to help these guys, and part of what we're doing, in addition to some monetary things for the Humane Society, is we're going to take one of these little guys home. His name is Rhodey. He's a Chiweenie, so a Chihuahua and a Dachshund mix, and they named him Rhodey. I'm from Rhode Island. Just everything lined up perfectly and organically, and it just everything feels right about it. So we're taking you guys along for the ride to go get him.
A few moments later.
Yeah, no, we could. Hey, buddy. Gonna be a YouTube famous doggy.
What's up, Brody? Hi, buddy. Hello. Hello.
I go to Orlando every week for work.
So what are you looking to do with it?
I just gotta get her cleaned up. I mean, she's taking a lot of abuse, and you know, when the car washes spray stuff.
You gotta quit going to those things.
You know that. That's why I'm here. But so, and they've done lousy jobs of waxing. You know, they've left wax up in here.
Yeah.
So it's time to.
We use Swiss wax, which is a wax at a really high level. It's good stuff. It lasts longer than like the stuff they spray on at the car wash. The coatings are more of a permanent solution for the wax. You know, if you're quite frankly, if you go through the car wash, I wouldn't recommend coating the car, because it's, you know, you're investing in correction in the coating, and the car wash over time, you know, scratches things.
Yeah. I'm gonna hand wash my wife's with this thing because of love bug season or whatever. I gotta take it to a wash when I get up there.
Yeah, once we coat a car, you know, we service it, we wash them, keep them clean. You know, most car washes have a hand washing option. That's safer. It usually takes about the same amount of time. But the coolest thing about the coating is we buff the whole vehicle, so you get rid of all you have a lot of like linear stuff, scratches going on, and although not noticeable, it takes away from the reflection and the gloss of the car. And these things shine up really nice. This blue metallic.
I still have all these that stuff.
That's from them using acid to clean the paint, and that's an acid burn. Usually how we fix those is we dye the trim. We re-dye the trim. We can do pretty much any color you want. You can dye it the factory silver color. You can make it black. You can.
I don't even remember what it was.
Hey, I'm back with this Dodge Ram TRX, and just about to finish it up. Just got to go around the backside, do the roof, and the bumpers. Actually, the bumpers are mostly plastic, so there won't be too much polishing there. But you'll notice that the black here has a lot of flake in it, which is it's pretty nice because the polishing really makes it pop out. Sometimes you can't even see the flake, so it really looks nice when it's polished up. The flake actually helps a lot when we're going with the graphene juice on the car, because it helps prevent the high spots. They just show up less. It kind of masks the overall look of the high spot. Doesn't mean you can't do the high spots. I mean, we've got all that figured out. So they really come out nice. Yeah, that's about it.
That's about it.
That's about it.
My buffer creates perfect.
This was wall and I changed the pad, centered it, and it was like 10 times better. Straight up.
He probably thinks he's the best paint polisher in the shop, but
All right, guys, I'm back here with this Ram TRX, and it's juice time. The sauce, the graphene sauce, is going down right now. Fully polished. Just did the panel wipe, and she is definitely ready for the juice. So stay tuned. She's gonna be done any second now.
You're the seduction. I finally reached a point. I'm the dysfunction. Just trying to fill a void. I know you've got bad intentions. Oh, it feels so good to have attention. Yeah, no one has to know, no one has to know you're my guilty.
One eternity later.
all right, guys, we're wrapping up another video here on our vlog. Thanks again for tuning in. On the comments this time, write TRX or Raptor. We'd like to hear what you guys think about the two different vehicles. I've been up close and personal with this one, and I think I'm gonna keep my truck for now. This is a beautiful truck, really well optioned. The fit and finish on the interior is real good, but for whatever reason, I'm just really attached to the Raptor. But the great truck, it came out great. The metallics in this paint came out awesome. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you're liking what you're seeing. Give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you guys next time. Thanks again.